back, YouTubers. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, and I have my assistant over here going to help me out with some things today. It's been 9-10 months I posted stuff on my 250. Some of y'all want to know about that. It's still broken, has a blown head gasket. Just waiting on some money and some time. I've been busy working. I did run my own business, but now I run my own business and work at a company full time. So I've been really busy. I hadn't had time to post videos. So here's a video. It's kind of different than anything I posted. Oh wait, I got the wrong hat. Yep, still like Ford, even though it's broke. So anyway, we're going to be doing an unboxing today of a, there it is. Thank you, assistant. Craftsman V20, I guess that means volts 20. 3-year warranty. It's a drill and an impact driver. It says 1460 impact, inch-pounds, so I think it's about 120 some feet. So it seems to be pretty good. And I have no idea what this means. It says 280 something. So anyway, we're going to need some stuff to get this thing open. So my assistant needs to give me something. Really? Really? I might have to hire me a new assistant. Hey, that might work. Let's see if we got anything else. Nah, better not. Makes too much noise. Hey, there's a razor. Try that. Locking up. Got anything else? I mean, just might as well throw the kitchen sink in here. That would be cool if you actually threw a sink in here. Oh, well, I think that's. No, I don't think that'll work. Okay, let's pick something here. My trusty old knife. Here, you better take that just in case somebody calls you. Alright. So we get the box here open. As you see, I haven't been in here. So, get all this junk out the way. Wait, still need a knife. So we're going to see what this is like. It was, I just bought it at Lowe's Home Improvement. I don't know if anybody has a Lowe's in their area. I know they're a big chain store, so they're probably about everywhere. But it was $99 for the set. And I showed you the set. When they had this in there, and it was, this one was what, $149? And this one was like $129 or something. This was $99, this was $129. Okay, so if you bought them individually, it was a whole lot more expensive. So we're going to see what we got here. All in a nice tray. Here's a little bag. Now, I bought these for around the house. I got, I'm a mechanic, so I have my Snap-on stuff like this, and I have some DeWalt stuff, and I have a service van and all that stuff. So I have several of these, but I kind of bought this around the house for my son and my wife to hand out some things. And here's the owner's manuals.
How in the world am I going to hand out stuff with that?
Handle stuff around here. He's getting old enough to handle stuff. So got a charger here. One charger. Don't know if it's a fast charger or what, but it says 2 amps. Oh no. It says V12 and V20, so it must be a multiple charger for their 12 series. That's where they have these couple different terminals for. Like maybe these is 20 volt and these is 12 volt, or 12 and 20, I don't know. But Snap-ons are the same way. You got 7 to 14 volt, same charger. So this charger, it looks like it's pretty well made. Don't look like too cheesy of stuff. And I know Craftsman doesn't make this, but I don't know who makes it for them. You could probably Google it and find out. Batteries look good. I got a battery discharge indicator on it. And it does come with a battery for each tool. They're both, of course, half dead, so we need to charge them. Look like they got a good clip to go on them. Not real heavy. Locking mechanism right here. I don't know if you can see that or not. Can they see that? Got a locking, I guess that little latch DeWalt, I think is like this, has a little locking mechanism on it. So we'll pull up the impact.
It might be made by DeWalt, seeing that it's got the
It looked
discharge
like
indicator.
Bosch used to make their tools, and it looks kind of like the back of a Bosch tool. I'm not sure. You could probably go on Lowe's and look at the other stuff there. It doesn't say on here who it's made by, but it's 2,000 RPMs minimum and 3,100 maximum RPM, so it spins pretty quick. Has a little quick disconnect on the end. It even comes with some bits that I don't even think will fit in there. Maybe they will. They're in a fancy.
It might fit in the other one.
They're in a fancy little. Oh yeah, it's got a chuck on it. Quick disconnect. Yeah, so you just push it in, it locks in. See, you just, and it's locked. It just spring loaded, comes back out, which is really nice. A snap-on, you have to push in on it, and it's only got a collar about that long on it, so it's really tough. But the Black & Decker and this one are about the same. So let's put a battery on it, see how well it clips to it. A little tough to go on. Pretty tough to get off too. There it goes.
You ain't gotta worry about it falling off.
So yeah, it won't fall off. So sounds like it'll do the job. Smells not really good, but that's the impact. I have no way to test it because that spins. Sounds like it's pretty good. So that's that. That's the little impact. I don't have nothing to try it on because I'm in my bedroom. So this here is the drill. It says it's a 1/2 inch chuck on it, so you can probably put a bigger drill bit on it than it actually needs. Wanna come up? Come on. Sorry, getting my little dog. Come on. Is your hip hurting? Come on. Come on.
Might have heard it.
There you go. Come on. Alright, there you go.
Junk she does.
Alright. Okay. Sorry about that. So that's my little dog, Dixie. Hey, Dixie. Come here. Come here, girl. Come here. Come here.
She's scared because you're holding that.
Scared of the tool. You scared of my tools, huh?
Sniff the box.
Alright. Drill speed 1. Speed 2. So it's got a 2-speed on it. 2-speed seems pretty easy. Then you got your selectors here for power 1. I guess so it would stop so it don't strip a screw out. And you increase it on up until it comes to a drill. And then it don't stop and just twist your arm off. Now I'm sure it's not that powerful. But it is 1/2 inch. 1,500 RPMs the max. 350 on number 1. So they don't seem to be too bad. Not too bad. So I think they'll work for whatever around the house will work good. Like I said, for $99, you can't hardly beat it. Because if you ever bought any snap-on tools, you'll know you pay a lot more for that. And then they supposedly go in this bag here, but I'm gonna leave them out and charge them. Decent little bag here. Keep them all nice and tidy. Everything out the way. They should both fit in here. We'll send just to make sure they do fit in here.
Along with the charger too.
The charger will fit in here. There's no little pocket. Usually Craftsman's pretty good about putting special things like a little compartments to put your bits or something. But they both fit in here. And nice little Craftsman bag. So it looks like a pretty good deal to me. We'll see how long they last. If I have a lot of problems with it or something, I'll make a video on the problems I've had with it and kind of do a review on it. So that's the unboxing of that and looking at that. If you Lowe's has them, if you like it, that'll be great. The other thing I want to cover before we leave is if you watched my Shishamo video on the real review, I did say I was going to do a giveaway on it. Well, the time has come, so I'm going to say 2 weeks before Christmas, somewhere around there, I'm going to run a cutoff. If you subscribe to the video or subscribe to the video and comment, my assistant's saying subscribe to the channel. If you subscribe to my channel and comment on it, you can either say, hey, I want the real whatever, I'll put you in the drawing for it. So, and wherever you live in America, ship outside of America, but if you live in America, I will ship it to you free of cost, free of charge. So, with that being said, like this video, share it with somebody. If you've had this tool and you see there's something wrong with it, and you don't like it, or something I haven't seen yet, drop a comment below and let me know, and then let others know. And we'll, if it's a good tool, hey, we'll go with that. Come here. Come here. Come here. Just tell them hey. Come here. You tell them hey? Tell them hey? Can you speak? No, but I can yawn. Can you speak? Oh well. She's camera shy. Bug. Alright. So, with that being said, please like the video. Please share it. Please comment. I like to hear your comments. I do take a little time to listen, try to respond to every comment. So, that's the video. That's the unboxing of that. Like I said, if you want to be in the drawing for that, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, and comment to the video. Just like I said, it's either any kind of comment will work, as long as I know you're a subscriber. Okay, thanks for watching, and
Come visit my channel.
okay, thanks for watching. I gotta go. I'm being loved on.